Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 110 D250 X-Dynamic SE. This Defender features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Pangea green. Starting from the front, you will see your premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, the rugged yet nostalgic dynamics continued as it sits on these 18-inch gloss white steel alloys. As we venture to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass as well as the rear LED tail lights, and upon opening the side hinge tailgate reveal a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for luggage for a week away or a set of golf clubs. As we look to the passenger's view of the vehicle, you will see your Khaki Resist seats with your Ebony interior, which will ensure comfort whether it be on or off-road. And as we glimpse into the cockpit, you will be greeted with your 12-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look at your premium non-leather steering wheel, which you'll see has a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can be tailored to the driver's individual preference. Advancing onward to your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera and your 360 parking aid, which will ensure parking this rather large vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access your heated seat functions alongside your climate control systems. Looking down, you'll also be able to access further vehicle dynamics along with terrain response systems. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for our fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will encapsulate occupants and enhance the light Oyster Morzine headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 110, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Many thanks for watching.